To check your transaction history on Bancor, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bancor website and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you are using a secure connection to protect your account information. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the transaction history section. Look for a section labeled Transaction History or Activity. This is usually found in the main menu or under Account Settings, depending on the platform's layout. Step 4. Filter your transactions. In the Transaction History section, you may have options to filter your transactions by date type or status. Use these filters to narrow down the transactions you want to review. Step 5. Review your transactions. Once you have filtered your transactions, review the details provided. You should see information such as transaction dates, amounts, and statuses, allowing you to track your activity effectively. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Bancor. Regularly checking your history can help you stay informed about your account activity.